it, so it is what it is. Life happens. But we're back, and we're gonna start upstairs now. We are removing all of the trim in preparation to get the entire upstairs, like we did to the downstairs, get it all demoed out in one shot. So that's what we're gonna be working on. It looks like we have probably as original as you're gonna find of trim up here. I did find when I was going through the photos of the Historical Society, a couple of photos of the interior of the house from way back when. And one of these videos I'll just probably do a collage of scanned photos that I went through at the Historical Society, so look forward to that. If you're interested in what, this house might have looked like back in the day, I'm gonna see if maybe there's like an AI picture, kind of put color to the pictures like you see them doing with the old videos and stuff from the 40s and earlier. So gonna try that out. Maybe it works, maybe it doesn't. We'll see. Thanks for stopping in. See you guys next time.